It's March 27th, 2025, and I want to talk today about T Corona Borealis, the recurring nova that is expected to go off tonight. Now, just to preface, T Corona Borealis is a star in the constellation Corona Borealis. You can see this constellation after midnight in the eastern sky near Hercules. It's kind of like an upside down C or a right side up C, depending on your perspective. But what I wanted to talk about is what I'm gently calling irresponsible reporting. Now, if you've been following the hoopla around T Corona Borealis, your feed might look something like this. And this is no shade to anybody. A lot of science communicators have been talking about this. A lot of news outlets have been talking about this. But what is kind of nagging me is that they're saying March 27th when we don't know that that is going to be the exact date because it's just an estimate. Now, T Corona Borealis is a recurring nova, meaning that it goes nova every 80 years or so. And this is not supernova. It dims and then it brightens and then it dims again. Now, I covered this in an earlier video, but T Corona Borealis is a binary star, meaning that it is two stars orbiting each other. The larger of the two stars is eating the gases from the little one, and eventually, every 80 years, it lets out this cosmic burp, and that's the nova that we're seeing here on Earth. Now, while it doesn't get super bright, it does get as bright as Polaris, which is considerably brighter than the star originally is. Now, back to the estimate. This estimate was originally set for April to September 2024, and then nothing happened. Professional and amateur astronomers alike all waited and nothing happened. Now, does that mean that nothing will happen tonight? I don't know. Does that mean nothing will happen at all? I don't know. For large-scale events like this, there's no way of knowing an exact date. You can give an estimated window, but there's no way to put a pin on it, just like you would for the total solar eclipse from last year. The point that I'm trying to make is, if it doesn't happen tonight, and I honestly don't think it will, I don't want people to get discouraged and say, scientists and astronomers are lying, it's all a lie, it's all fake news. I think it's up to us as science communicators, and I'm saying that I'm a science communicator with the biggest grain of salt, because, not really, I am, but not. I think it's up to us to be a little bit more responsible and to give people just a little bit more information and to temper expectations, especially around something like this. And if it does, in fact, happen tonight on March 27th, 2025, I will eat my hat. In any case, here's to clear skies. Keep looking up.